So as I mentioned before, a sitemap is going to be the definitive way that you can tell search engines what's going on with your website. Robots and crawlers, spiders, however you want to call them, are going to naturally crawl your website, and they're going to go through navigation, and they're going to kind of have a behavior that's similar to a person, as if click through your subcategories, click on your blogs, kind of go through it. But it's also good to have a definitive guide that you can kind of guide along the robots and spiders and say, I know that you're doing your crawling how you naturally do it, based off of the behaviors or the algorithm that guides you along. But also at the same time, I want you to know that these are all the pages that we definitely have on the website, and you can index our sitemap and know also what the architecture of the website is. So the best way to do that is to generate it. And most themes, we're going to be talking about WordPress a lot, because I would say that a lot of lawyers are building their websites on WordPress. If not, if you're using, FindLaw, or you're working with Scorpion and they may have like a proprietary content management system, they do have like slight variations how they do it. But regardless, everyone's going to have some sort of built-in way of generating a sitemap. And typically it's going to look like / from your domain. So, example.com / it's going to look like sitemap.xml. Some situations might be a sitemap.html. If you're using WordPress and you're using a plugin like your all-in-one SEO or your Yoast, they're also going to have their own way of generating it. So in this specific situation, the plugin that we're using to assist with our optimization for SEO on our website, it is a / sitemap _ index.xml. And what we did was we automatically generate that. We go to our Google Search Console and we go to this area right here, the sitemaps. And then we're going to submit it. So you can see it right here. We do it like that. And you go through. So this Lead Pages is a landing page company that does some of our paid campaign landing pages. Doesn't really have anything to do with our sitemap, but most of the time you'll see it broken down by pages, and you'll see it broken down by posts. And we like to separate these because they're kind of different approaches to how they're presented on the website. It's like the post is through the feed, because the post is by default our blog. And then the page are kind of like the granular other pages that we have, like our service pages, about us, the team, some other pages. So basically looking at the post is your blog, page is pretty much anything that's not your blog. And then so you click through here, you'll see that index coverage, well, that's not clicking through, but you can see that both one is kind of submitted separately. And then you can see how that looks over here. So if we click on, this is the marketmymarket.com sitemap URL that we have. The post, you can see that these are all going to be our blogs. It'll say the last time that they were modified. So we do have some old blogs. We've been doing this for a bit. So this is, roughly 7 years. And then you can see all at the bottom that we have things as recently as just a couple days ago. How to stay consistent with your keyword research during social distancing. We have one for a list of directories. We have one for resources. So your sitemap will automatically be periodically updated, as you can see here, and then resubmitted on a regular basis. So this is a good way just to ensure everything that you're doing gets indexed and goes into searches so people can find your content.